9-ball tracking right at that pocket. 1 ball goes in. Good shot on the 2. And guess who just stepped on the gas?
Yeah. Chance for Centeno to get offensive and lock Jasmine out here.
What's the over-under on the time for this rack?
Under 2 minutes. I was thinking about going even quicker than that, but I think 2 minutes is pretty safe. We'll just let her go here. It's a thing of beauty. Gonna have to move the cue ball a little more than she'd like here. Could draw on top of the 10, try to get straight on the 7. Fall over to that location as well. What's she at here, George? Minute 35.
I didn't time it. I think, was it last year we timed a couple of matches?
Really?
Yeah. I think I oh, look at this.
My goodness, what a roll that was.
And that was the cloth. That's when they stretch it right there by the side pocket.
It's the slow speed.
It's the slow speed, and that caught the weave of the cloth and moved right into the corner.
I haven't seen a roll like that in a while.
Oh, it's been, yeah, they're unusual.
Not by roll, I don't mean table roll. I just mean like a roll of the ball.
She might have made this.
No way. No way. Let's get up, everybody. A standing ovation for that shot. Wow.